What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another vlog. We're out here autocross in the middle of, what is it, November? Yeah, almost December. It's about to break like 50 degrees. It's not a bad day. Just changed tires, did my first lap. Not too bad. I got to kind of feel where I need to be via shifting and braking, but we did this course before, but this is a little bit modified. I'll throw it up right here. Should be a really good day. You got the girlfriend over here and the puppy somewhere. I guess he's in the... Hey, Bubba. Hi. Yeah, we got that. We got a Civic Type R here, a GTR, Z. There's three people running the Mini. The MR2, the Honda. I feel like I'm missing something else. I don't know. There's a few of us, but we're out here having fun. It's a good time. I actually ordered my coilovers yesterday, so hopefully by the next event I have them on. But I gotta cut my strut tires and I gotta find the electronic dampener delete things, which are kind of expensive. I'm hoping to find some used, but I can come out here, start dialing in the camber and the ride height and all that. I'm super excited, but now I'm up, I think. What do you think, Bub? What's up? We're here with Kaylin Becker, the Class A BMW autocross driver. Ma'am, can you tell us how the track is today? Can you please tell us? You're cold? Okay. Do those nails add horsepower? Oh, they do? Okay.
You might as well go and just sit there and try to beat you. Oh, could you?
Hi, Bubba. Hi.
On Thursday, it's like
He's like, I don't care.
We're all driving the Mini, all three of us. My car broke. Car broke. Somebody broke the wire. Car. That was crazy. Dude, he didn't give me a chance to put my seatbelt on. I was like, grabbing on it. Yeet! Terrible. Ah, my.
Alright guys, that wraps up Autocross today. Actually wound up being a pretty nice day out. If you had some layers on, it's like 50 something, but I wound up snagging second. I was within a second or so of the Honda, or wait, no, the Honda. Between me and him and Charles in the MR2, we always go kind of have like a round robin of first, second, and third place. So feeling pretty good. Like I said, the coilovers are ordered yesterday, so hopefully by the next event they'll be on, but I have to cut my strut towers. I got to find them DCC deletes, so there's that. I'll post the times up here, and yeah, we got like an hour before the sun goes down and an hour and a half drive, so we'll hit the road. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Real quick here, I just wanted to give a shout out to Roy and Charles and everybody that makes these events happen down there in Roswell, especially in the off season. With me getting coilover soon, I wouldn't have a chance to dial them in during the off season if it wasn't for them. So hopefully by the next event I'll have them on and I can start doing that. I'm just super excited. Finally gonna have some camber up front, a little bit stiffer in the rear, some adjustable dampening. It's gonna be nice to have coilovers again. I haven't had coilovers since my Mark IV R32, and back then I really didn't know much about anything, especially suspension. I had camber plates on that car and ST coilovers with adjustable dampeners and Swift springs. I only really messed with the dampening in the rear. I never even touched the camber up front. And matter of fact, when I went to go get an alignment like a year after having the R32, the people at the alignment shop asked me what the camber plates did, and I had no idea at the time. And now knowing that I had those, it was like, damn, like that's cool. I wish I would've, I could have really stepped up my game back then in the Mark IV, had I known, but I didn't, so, oh well. Anyway, huge shout out to them. It was a great race day, great track. I should have did a little bit more shifting. I probably could have lost another half a second or so had I not been banging off the rev limiter, but oh well. I was having a good time. So, hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip flop.